About that GS paper 3 mentions are writing preparations. See like that in my words. India economic and issues relating to plannings and mobilizations of resources, growth, development and employment. Question number 1. Discuss the significance of grace value added and GVA in understanding the structure transformations of the Indian economy. How does it the complements and GDP as and the economic indicators? Introductions. Gross value added GVA and provided other granulars and view of economic activities, making it the critical to understanding the sectorals and dynamics and the structural transformations within the Indian economic body. Significance of GVA in understanding the structurals and transportations for of the Indian's economic tracks and the sectorals and contributions. GVA highlighting the contributions of primary, secondary and tertiary sectors and individuals and enabling the better assessment of the structural traditions. Example services sectors and शेयर की जाती है GVA ग्रेस डोमेस्टिक ग्रेस वैल्यू एडेड के द्वारा and rose to the 54% in FY23 and reflecting the India shift and to other service dominated economic sources more SPI forced on productivities and GVA emphasis productivity by excluding and intermediates and consumption, offering other clearer pictures of sectoral efficiency, e.g. agricultural GVA gray and by just and 1.5% in the FY23, despite employing over 45% of the workforce, and monitors regionals and disparities and degradations. GVA data help identify regionals and economics disparities and example. Gujarat accounted for 15% of India's and industrial's GVA in FY22 and showcasing its the manufacturing strength. Drives policy interventions, slides from the GVA data guide and targeted fiscals and sectoral inventions. And EG and PLI and the schemes were the expanded and in 2022 to cover the 14 sectors and based on the lagging GVA trend in manufacturing assess and resilience to shocks and GVA the measures and economic and in economic resilience and why the tracking sectors specific recovery traits. Example post pandemic industrials GVA and rebounded by 4.5% in FY22%, highlighting recovery in core sectors. Source RBI. How GVA complements and GDP as and the economic indicator. Example sectoral dynamics. While GDP show the aggregates and growth, GVA offers sectors breakdowns and revealings and underlines the drivers and bottlenecks. And despite 7.2% and GDP growth in FY23 and GVA data show the stagnations in manufacturing due to the global supply chain issues and supports the implementation adjusted. Analyzes the GVA at the basic prices and insulation sectors performance and from the effect of taxes and the subsidies adding in the inflation's analysis. EG in FY 2020 8.1% GVA growth and signaled economic recovery after the adjustments and for the tax include industry and the inflations. Informations, taxations and fiscal policy. GVA data asides in designing the tax policies and by the highlighting the sector specific growth or declines. IG increased and the exercise and duties on petroleums and product in 2021 was based on the GVA trade in the energies and manufacturing alliance. allegiance with global standard। GBA conform to the UN सिस्टम ऑफ नेशनल अकाउंट्स के द्वारा SN इम्प्रूविंग किया गया था कंपेरेटिबिलिटी एंड विद द इंटरनेशनल डाटा को। एग्जाम्पल इंडिया GBA मैथडोलॉजी अलायंस एंड विद दैट ऑफ द OECD कंट्रीज जो थी इंश्योरिंग एक्यूरेट ग्लोबल बेंचमार्किंग। AIDS in employment generation GBA signed and into the labors and intensive sectors जो होते हैं गाइड करते हैं फॉर जॉब्स क्रिएशन पॉलिसीज़ को। एंड एग्जांपल एग्रीकल्चर और MSME जो रहती हैं आइडेंटिफाइड करती हैं या शोस करती हैं एज लो GBA कंट्रीब्यूटर्स को एंड रिसीव प्रायोरिटी इन MPE GP टू बूस्ट द इको एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन FY23। कंक्लूजन GBA complement GDP by the providing other new and nonsensed understanding of the sectoral dynamics and supporting the targeted policy makings, leveraging and thus the insights and effectively and can the ensures and inclusive and the sustainable growth aligning and with the India's long-term economic goal. The dichotomy and the between and the urbans and the rural employment in India and reflected the deeper and structural inequalities जो रहती हैं analysis करती हैं how fiscal and the monetary policy can be the synchronized to address the disparities। 15 minutes introductions। क्वेश्चन क्या बोला है द डिस्टोमी एंड बिटवीन द अर्बन एंड द रूरल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जो इंडिया में रिफ्लेक्टेड चल रहा था डिस्पर द स्ट्रक्चर इन इक्वालिटीज़ के अकॉर्डिंग एनालिसिस हाउ द फिस्कल्स एंड मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कैन बी द सिंक्रोनाइज्ड टू एड्रेस दस द पार्टिसिपेटरीज। इंट्रोडक्शन। Urban rural employment divided in India and the underscores significant and structural inequalities including the sectoral imbalance, infrastructure deficits and disparities in education and skill. Addressing thus the challenges is essential for achieving inclusive and sustainable growth body. Dichotomy and between the urban and the rural employment in India reflects the diverse structure inequalities, sectorals and imbalance. Rural areas are the predominantly dependent on agriculture and which the employment is a significant portion of workforce and but the contributes the smaller and shares to GDP. Agriculture employs the approximately and 45% of the workforce and but the contributions only about the 16% to GDP. Infrastructure deficits करता है rural and regionals often lack adequate infrastructure limiting economic opportunity and access to market. जो for example urban area receive the dis and the proportional shares of industrial investment exacerbating regimes and disparities. एजुकेशन एंड जो स्किल्स डिस्पैरिटीज़ रहती है लिमिटेड एक्सेस टू क्वालिटीज़ एजुकेशंस एंड वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग्स इन रूरल एरियाज रेस्ट्रिक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड एग्जांपल रूरल यूथ कॉन्स्टिट्यूट जो रहता है इस सिग्निफिकेंट पोर्शन रहता है ऑफ अनस्किल्ड लेबर फोर्स का हाईलाइटिंग द नीड फॉर द टारगेटेड स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स का माइग्रेशन एंड इनफॉर्मल एम्प्लॉयमेंट rural to urban and migrations and often lead to employment in the informals and sectors lacking job securities and benefits. The 2020 Migrants and Crisis highlights the vulnerabilities of rural migrations in urban area, limits access to technology innovation. Rural areas lacks exposures and to the advanced technology and innovation, hindering the productivity and in employment growth and e.g. only 70% of the rural enterprises use modern technology. compared to 45% of urban enterprises as reported by the Niti Aayog in 2023. Fiscal and monetary policy can be the synchronized to address thus the disparities and fiscal policy measures. Investment in rural infrastructure, allocating funds for the development of rural infrastructures to enhance the connectivity and economics activities. The Pradhan Mantri Gram and Sadak Yojana PMGSY has significantly improved the rural road connectivity, support for the rural enterprises and providing the fiscal financial incentives and supports to the promote rural entrepreneurships and small business. Schemes like the Prime Minister Employment and Generation Programs PME and GPN have and the facilitated the creation of rural employment opportunity, enhancing educational and skills development, investigating in educations and vocational trainings tailored and to the rural need to improve the employmentability. The Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin and the Kaushal Yojana DDU and GKY focused on the skills and development for the rural youth and strengthening social securities for the migrant workers, implementing policies to the provided social security and support for the migrant workers. The One Nation One Ration Cards and ONORC schemes and ensures food security for migrant workers across state. Monetary policy measures. Priority sector leading, facilitating access to credit and promoting financial inclusions, supporting rural employment through the refinance schemes. Priority sector lending, mandating banks to allocate a portion of their lending to sectors that generate rural employment. The Reserve Bank of India guidelines on priority sectors lending PSLB include the targeted for the agriculture and the micro enterprises, facilitating access to credit, ensuring availability of affordable credit to rural entrepreneurships and small business. Initiatives like the micro units and development and refinance agency Mudra provide and loan to the micro and small enterprises, promoting financial inclusions, expanding banking services in the rural areas to facilitating savings and credit and insurance. The Pradhan Mantri and Jan Dhan Yojanas and PMJDY has the significantly increased the number of bank accounts in rural regions, supporting rural employment through the refinance schemes and providing the refinance facilities to the financial institution lending to the rural employment sectors. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD offer the refinance supports for the rural infrastructure project. Synchronizations of fiscal and monetary policy coordinated and development and programs alliance. Mommy. Alienated fiscal spending on infrastructures with monetary support for credit and the availability to the maximizing maximizing impact.